Hi, Miss Ikinya. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello ma'am, good day. I'm Michelle Asuncion Iquiña. I am 35 years old and I live in Coronadal City, South Cotabato. I am a single with live-in partner.
Do you have kids?
Yes ma'am, I have two kids. The 13 years old girl and the 1 year and 7 months boy.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
We have four brothers ma'am and I have a fifth child.
Okay, so you are the youngest. Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am graduated on Hotel and Restaurant Management in Notre Dame of Marble University.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
No, ma'am, but I work in Philippines as a house helper from April 2019 to October 2021. I work to four member of family, one couple, two kids, one newborn, and one 6 years old. I do the cleaning the house, cooking, marketing, laundry, and ironing, and take care of one small, one big dogs. And the main task is to babysit the newborn.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am honest and hardworking and loving mother.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
Because I want to support financially my family and my two children.
Okay, that is great. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you give me your idea how you can take care of other children and children with tantrums?
As I will talk to them about it in a calm voice.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.